Look at this! We have a lot of ingredients today. I will show you exactly what I prepared today. First, we aren't cutting just yet. We will make the anchovy broth. I think anchovy broth is good for making soft tofu stew. 10 to 15 minutes is enough. While you're boiling it, you can chop the onion and green onion into small pieces. Chop the shrimp too. You don't have to cut the shrimp if you like them whole. We are going to keep the broth for later. As you can probably tell, I have only one pot. Poor girl. After washing the pot, I will dry it well and heat it up again. For the cooking oil and sesame oil, we will use both at the same time. When the pot is up enough, put in the chopped onion and green onion. Stir them until the onion color changes to brown. And stir in the ground pork. You know what you need next time? Ground garlic. I don't think we can make Korean food without garlic. Okay, keep stirring them. Now it's time for the sauce. 1 or 2 spoons of Korean chili powder and 2 spoons of 국간장, which is soy sauce for soup. You need to keep this till moisture is gone. Okay? If you stir them enough, pour the anchovy water into the pot. Now the main ingredient is soft tofu. I prefer crushed soft tofu. So I make a very small hole on the tofu pack. If you don't want crushed tofu, just cut the pack big and pour in the soft tofu. Shrimp, mushroom, and salt or fish sauce. Of course, you can add clam or squid or whatever seafood you like. Boil it till the shrimp is cooked. Lastly, put an egg into the pot. Cover the pan, turn up the heat. The egg is going to be cooked by remaining heat. Ta-da! Finally, soft tofu stew has finished. Of course, you need to eat it with rice. Just only soup is too spicy. Enjoy the new world!